Okay, this is bath time with two scarlet macaws. And if you hear anything weird, I have a scarlet macaw on my shoulder, too. This is Buddy. This is Julie. Okay, Julie, I need you to get in the tub because it's bath time. Come on, sweetie. Good bird. Okay, in. There you go. You guys are both in the bathtub now. Yay! It's okay. It's totally okay. Yeah, I know you're doing the scared bird thing. It's okay. That's it. Yeah. Just a little bit of water. This is bath time. You guys need a good bath. Bathing is a very important thing for scarlet macaws. Julie, it's okay, honey. It's okay. There's nothing scary. It's just bath time. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. There you go. How's that feel? How about you? Do you like that? You guys need a good... Come on. Maui wants to come into the bath, but I think it would be a really bad idea. Oh, Julie's acting all scared again. Hey, don't be scared. This is bad. That's why you guys are here together. Because it's good. No, you don't have to be scared. It's okay. That's it. Give yourself a good splash. There you go. There you go. Splash. Oh dear. Maui, do you remember when we first started doing this with you? Hey. Hey. Yeah. Bath is good. Okay, now it's going to be towel time, so I have to turn the video off. Okay, be good.